for strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose because I'm the flower that blooms at night, and welcome to my last video of 2018. It feels so crazy to be saying that. Like, this year has just been amazing. I will be doing like a chit chat get ready with me kind of video coming in the new year, explaining this year in whole and just everything that I've achieved this year and what I plan to achieve in 2019. But this is my final transformation of the year, and I just wanted to go like big or go home. Just full on black smoky eye, rhinestones all under my eyes because there was creasing, so I was like, let's chuck rhinestones everywhere. I just really want to go extra, and this is the look that I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me in 2019. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. Hopefully, there's going to be a lot of videos throughout January since I have so many looks planned, and I just really want to make 2019 a good year for my channel. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Also, add me on Snapchat. I will leave my username on screen now, but it's literally JackO3232. And I normally talk to you guys like while I'm sat doing makeup, and I want to give a little special shout out to Grant, whose alter ego slash like drag persona is called Brooke, who I was sat chatting to while I was doing my makeup today. So yeah, if you want to chat with me, I normally sit and chat on Snapchat while I beat my face. So add me, bitch. Let's get this dramatic New Year's look started, shall we? So I'm starting this look off with a freshly cleansed and shaved face as always, and my skin is super irritated, so get over it, girl. Yes, I know it's red and blotchy. So for a little bit of hydration, I went in with my Mary Badescu facial spray, and then I'm going to start with my eyes first, just because it's really smoky and there's going to be a lot of fallout from the black shadows and everything, so excuse the super HD close-up of my skin. But I just took a little bit of concealer over my eyelids just to prime them, and then I just buffed a nice kind of peachy transition colour through the upper area of my crease and winged it back towards my temples. I want this look to be like grungy and smoky and just over the top and dramatic, so I just packed the colour on and wasn't really too bothered about how blended it looked. I just kind of wanted smoke and drama. So I slowly deepened up the shades of brown that I used in my crease, slowly getting darker as I got closer to my actual eyelid space. But I did want this look to be super blown out and smoky, so I basically just kept packing the colours on and just lightly buffing them out and then packing on more colour and just building up that pigmentation and kind of the shape that I wanted. For my eyelid, I took a gel liner from Rimmel and just ran that all over my eyelid and just lightly buffed it out, and then set that down with some black eyeshadow and just buffed that out kind of like slightly into my crease since I wanted this to be super dramatic, and that gel liner just makes you get like the most blackest black smoky eye ever, and then just lightly buffed over the edges again with those first transition colours just so it looked a little bit more blended, and then it cleaned up with a makeup wipe to give me that sharp cunty wing. And then I will come back to the eyes, but we're just going to do my face since eye makeup always looks really weird without any base makeup on, so I thought I needed the base just to know what else I needed for the eyes. So I just went in with my usual routine. I will leave my full coverage highlight and contour routine for drag down below, but pretty much colour correct the beard area to hide the 5 o'clock shadow and the man, since at midnight I want to be looking fly and fishy, not like a man with a 5 o'clock shadow. And then went in with a super full coverage Krylon TV paint stick in the shade 3W for my base, 406 for my highlight, and then I used 7W for my contour just to chisel out this hamster face. And it has just been Christmas, so if you want to highlight your extra double chin that you've just gained, just contour a little bit extra. Once I was happy with how it all blended out, I heavily set in place using my Coty Loose S1 powder. This will just seal it all in place, lock it down, and keep it there for the whole night, so pack that powder on, girl. Especially if you're going to be like dancing and everything, this like makes your makeup bulletproof, bitch, like literally bulletproof. And then just lightly bronze up my skin since I'm Casper and I needed that little bit of extra colour. And then I buffed those same kind of transition colours along my lower lash line. Again, not really with like much precision. I kind of just buffed the colours everywhere since, again, I wanted smoky, grungy, sexy drama. And then I also put some black in my waterline and upper lash line just to make everything super gorgeous. I then took a Fierce Foils from Makeup Revolution, and this is the silver shade, and just heavily packed it with the end of a brush on the inner corner of my eyes and just lightly buffed along my lower lash line. My eyes started to water, but it kind of worked since it gave me that like grungy, slightly worn in, just being in a gangbang kind of makeup look, and then just quickly chucked on a brow. For my contour, I went in with my Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit and just heavily, again, powder contoured my face, and then I took the slightly lighter shade under my eyes just to help brighten it up. For bronzer, I went in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and then just heavily packed blush on. You guys know I love blush when I'm in drag, so New Year's, extra blush. And then I just lightly put some white under my brow bone just to help lift it and feminize the look. And then for highlight, I went in with my Holy Grail Flexitarian from Colourpop. It's like almost dried out and ruined, but Holy Grail highlighter. For lips, I just took Cairo from NYX and then topped it with Fairy Floss from Colourpop just to give that gorgeous, juicy New Year's pout. And then that is the finished look. All you gotta do is pop on lashes, a hefty amount of rhinestones, and a wig. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for bloopers. I have quite a lot of look planned. I feel like it's a bit close. Play with makeup today. I really hope you guys enjoy. Look at that jiggle. Need to work on that in 2019. Up sexy, over the top makeup. So fuck off. 8 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time all throughout 20. This fucking hair. Happy New Year. I'm celebrating with water. My makeup is creasing. I literally filmed for hours to get like a 5-minute intro.
I'm a lone wolf, I'm a lone wolf.